In my great-grandparents' time, a man's word was all you needed to trust that the job would be done and done correctly. Well, some things never change. That's what makes Revolution Automotive stand apart from other repair shops. Trust and fair pricing. When you contact us, you're contacting Dave, and only Dave. No middlemen to confuse or make excuses over your repair.
We do everything here. One of my specialties is drivability and electrical repairs. You know, if my check engine light's on, car's not running right, not shifting right, those are all the things that we can do. You know, if something in the interior isn't working, your windows, your door locks, your heating and air system, your periodic maintenance, your timing belts, tune-ups, all that stuff. I don't have preset fees for any of that stuff, but I'll get you an estimate prior to doing the work so you know ahead of time what the cost is going to be, and we stick to that.
Give Dave a call. He will apply his 3 decades of automotive expertise towards your needs.
I believe I've been in the automotive repair service professionally for close to 35 years. And of course, there was a number of years of study and training prior to that. So basically my whole life.
Give Dave a call. You'll never be charged for anything without prior approval. Call 785-840-8157. Revolution Automotive.